Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emmanuel Ainon. Today, what we'll be doing today is we'll be building landing page. Someone actually requested for it in the comment section, and I promised the person that okay, the next video I'm going to upload is to build a landing page. And now, if you are affiliate marketer, the best way for you to do your affiliate marketing business is for you to have landing page of your own so that you can run your Google ads, Facebook ad, and direct them to this landing page. And if you're into mini importation, the same thing, you can design landing page for your product, then you run traffic to it. This is the best way for you to do. This is the best way of doing this, so you'll be able to track a lot of things. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so by clicking on subscription button and hit the notification icon. And I want you to comment what next, what video do you want me to create next? Okay, and I'm going to do justice to that. So let's start. So I'm going to assume that you have your domain and hosting account. But if you don't have domain and hosting account, look at it first. I'm going to drop the link. You get your domain and hosting there. I think if you get hosting from there, they will give you free domain. So if you do that, I can help you to set up your WordPress because you are going to be installing WordPress, and this is super easy to do. I'm going to walk you through step by step. So if you have your domain and hosting already, all you have to do is to install WordPress on it. And if you don't know how to install WordPress, okay, just get your domain and hosting from the link I will drop below. Then you get that, then you can reach out to me. So I will help you to install the WordPress. It's super simple to do. So now after that, now let's start building the landing page. So the first thing, this is my website. This is my website, emmanuelainon.com. Then I want to build landing page for a course that I will be releasing very soon. Is SEO. It's about search engine optimization. It's about ranking websites on Google. So is my course. So what I want to do, I want to build the landing page I'm going to use to sell this course from absolutely from scratch. So you're going to see everything now. So I want to log on to the back end of this WordPress account. So you know to log on to the back end is /WP admin. So I'm here to log on. So I'm going to use my email and username or email and password to log on to this account. So I'm going to hit on this. If you log on to your account, this is the first thing you're going to see. And if you are going to install 2 plugins, so all you have to do is look at this this section. You want to come to plugins, then hit on plugins here, click on it. Then you want to click on add plugins. So click on add plugins. Add new. I want to hit on add new. So here, add new now. You can see, okay, search for install plugin. So want to hit add new here. Hit on add new. Then you want to install 2 plugins. You want to install and activate them. Okay. So the first plugin we are going to install is called Elementor. So you want to come here and search for Elementor. Elementor. So this is the Elementor you are going to be installing. I've already installed it and activate. Then you want to install this Elementor. Then after installation, you want to click on activate. Then the second one is WP form. You're going to do the same thing with this WP form. You want to install it, then activate it. After you've done these 2, then you want to come back to appearance. Then you want to go to themes. Then in this theme, you want to come to add new. You want to click on add new. Then you want to look for a theme called Hello Elementor. Then you want to come to this search page. They want to, from here, you want to look for Hello Elementor. So you can see the theme right here is the one I'm currently using. So look for the theme, install it, and activate. So once you've done this, then the next thing you want to do, you want to come to pages, pages. Then you want to look for add new, pages, add new. You want to hit on add new. So what you want to do is, okay, the product or services or you want to market. So you want to create a page for it. Okay, if your product is about power bank, you want to maybe name the page power bank. If you are affiliate marketer, maybe the product you are promoting, the product have name, just use the name to create the page. Okay, so the page I'll be creating is SEO, and I'm going to write it that way, SEO. Okay, so when you see this, welcome, just close this guy here, close it. So what we want to do here, we want to give the title of the product or services we are promoting. So in this case, my own is SEO. So search engine optimization. This is the name of the course. If yours is power bank, you want to name it power bank. If it is make money online, you want to give it that name. If it is 72 IG, that is the most popular affiliate marketing course in Nigeria right now. You want to use 72 IG. So once you do this and you want to publish it, publish this. So after you publish it, then you want to hit on edit with Elementor. Click on edit with Elementor. Now that we're here, you can see the title of the page you just created, and you can see all of these guys. So the first thing you want to do first is to come to this icon, this setting icon. You want to click on it. It's going to pop up this. Then you want to come to this page layout. You want to hit on it. Then you want to select Elementor Canvas. Elementor Canvas. Then select Elementor Canvas. You will notice what will happen here. What this will do is going to give us blank page. You can see we have blank page. Then always when you are doing your design, then you want to hit on update. Update from here. So that you can see this plus icon. This plus icon means section. And you can see one section, this two section, 3, 4, one small at the left, big at the right. You can see this one big at the right, small, big at the left, small at the right. You can see different sections. So it determines what you want to do. So in my own case, the first thing I want to do is I want to add the title. The title. So I'm going to hit on this title here. This section, this is what I want to use. I'm going to hit on it. Then you can see I have this, then I have these three, and I have this one. Okay, so the moment I click on this, so this is the section. The moment I click inside of it, like this, can you see I have this element. Okay, if you click on this, you give it this element. Okay, that's simple as that. So the first thing I want to do here, I want to give it a title. Okay, what is title of my page? Okay, then all you have to do, you can see different elements here. You can see the inner section, you can see heading, you can see image, you can see text, you can see video, button, a lot of stuff here, a lot of elements here. So I need title. All I have to do is I'm going to click on it, then drag it to this center. Okay, then I have this. You can see add your heading text here, and you can also have it here. Okay, I want to change the title of of what you're selling. You want to give it, you want to give it title that is at least is engaging. Okay, now the title I want to give this is let me come to my SEO here where I was creating the content. So I want to come here. So this is title. Learn this. Okay, let me just use this content. Then I want to copy this. You can have your title anywhere. Okay, you can have it on your notepad or something. You can have your text ready. Okay, when you have your text ready, you can use what you want to do with it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to I'm going to copy. I've copied this title. Then I want to come back to my page. You can see the title here. Now, two things involved. If you copy text, then you paste it directly here. See what will happen. You paste it directly here. Do you see what happened? It will copy the style. I just copy and paste it directly here. It will copy the style. Can you see? I copied this guy from here and I copied it with the color and the style. Okay? So I don't like doing this. Instead, I want to copy and paste it here in this section. So I'm going to paste it in this section. So it's going to give me exactly this. Okay? So now my title is going to be Wash free video of how I N watch free video. Okay, watch free video how I earn 1.5 million naira. What's the free video how I earn 1.5 million naira doing simple, or let me say, helping, okay, putting business on Google. Okay, so this is what I did. This is what I can think of right now. Maybe I'm going to write something, then we are going to continue from there. So guys, I've come in this content. Maybe I might change it later, but I don't want to waste our time. So this is what I've come up with. Watch the free video how I earn over 1.5 million naira with just two simple jobs. Two simple jobs. Two simple jobs. Anyone with laptop and internet connection can do. Internet connection can do. So I want to copy this first, then come here, go here, then I want to paste here. Okay, you can see it here. So now when you copy your title here, the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that it's at the center. Okay, click this center alignment. So it's at the center. So this is one. So the second thing you want to do, you want to come to this style. Style is where you style everything here. Then I want to come here to this styling. Then I want to look at this text color is what we have by default. So I can change it to any color of my choice. You can see you can change it to black, you can change it to red, I can change it to any color. Okay, so that is that here. Then I can come again. Look at this typography is where you give the size of the text. You can see. Okay, so I have this guy here. Okay, I think it's okay. Now that I have this, let's assume that this is where what I want to do. We still come to that. You can see what I do. Okay, the next thing is I want to write something at the bottom of this. So you can always drag an item here. So if you want to do this, now look at this guy. This is where you have your element. Okay, when you click on it, so you can always add something under this or at the top of it. Okay, now pay close attention to this. This is if you want to add new section. Let me do it again. So let me, okay, do this. Click on this, pull this. That means I'm creating new section. Okay, so this now I want to add another title. Then I'm dragging the title here. I have title here. Okay, good. Let me copy the text. Anyone with internet connection, laptop and internet connection can do. So I copy that guy, then I paste it here. you can see what happened when I paste the guy here. Then I want to centralize it. I want to come to style. Style is where you style, you change the color, you change the size. I'll return it to black. Then I want to change it. Title. Then I want to change the size. So I have this. You can see what I did. And again, look at this. Now, if you want to go to element, always click on this. Click on this to go back to element. These are elements. Now, I can also drag the title, the second option, under here directly. Okay, I drag it under here directly. And that is what I want to do. That is what I want to do. And I will show you the reason why. So then, if I tap on this, I dictate, okay, then I can come to the contents of it. Then I want to copy this, copy. Then I want to come here. Okay, so I click on it. Then I want to paste it here, paste. You can see I have this, but there is other option. If you want to use, maybe I like this design I've done, this part of stuff, then I want to get that same design, okay? All I have to do is, I'll just come here, click on this icon here, you can see copy. Then I want to come here, you can see paste style, paste style. If I paste it now, you can see give me the exact size, style. Whatever style that you copy is going to give it to you. So this is what I want to do, and the reason why I want to do this is I want to design it further. I want to design it further. So now look at this. I have three icons here. This process to add new section. You can see I can close it. This one, the second one, this one is to edit section. Okay, to edit this section, and this third one is to close this section. So what I want to do is I want to edit this section. I want to click on here, then I want to go to style. I want to go to style. Now you can see I want to do background. Okay, make sure you design your thing. You don't want to leave it just blank. Okay, so I want to change this background to a lot, like I want to make it to look professional. I want to make it to look professional. So let me come here. You can see I gave it black, but I don't want that color. Just look for the color you want. I think I like this color. Okay, I like this color. So here now that I like this, is not black, is not blue. I think I'm okay with this color. Then I want to edit this icon to edit this text. I want to click on this edit to edit the text. Tap on it. Then I want to come to the text color. I will change it to white. Okay, I change it to white. Now you can see that we have content here. I want to come here, tap on it. Okay, then style. Then I want to change the text color. Let's see color. I think yellow should do. Okay, I think yellow look great. Yellow look great. Red does not look great. I just want something very professional and simple. I think yellow look great here. Then I want to have it, no, yellow. Okay. Then I have this. Then always click on update. Now, you see the reason why I did not use this plus icon, because I want this style to apply for these two guys. Because if I use it, you can see it does not affect, I mean, it doesn't affect this guy. So, and that is not what I want to do. Just know that if you create new stuff, you are creating new section. But if you drag inside this section, maybe you have a section, then you drag inside it, it's still going to be under that section. It's just simple, okay? So I'm going to delete this guy. I don't need it again. I just want to show you a sample of that. So if I update this, you click on to update. So if you want to see exactly what you're doing, look at this eye icon. If you click on this eye icon, you're going to view it in real life, how it's going to look. Now you can see how this is looking. Now ignore this. The reason why you are seeing this is because of sign in. Okay, that's why you're seeing this. Not supposed to see it. So now look at this. I think this look good. This look good. Okay, this look good. So the next thing I want to do, is let's go back to our editor. If you don't like this color, if you don't like it, maybe you want to maintain the white, all you have to do is here to edit that section. We click here to edit the section. You can see, then you can see this is the layout of this layout. This is the style. Okay, this is the style. Then you can come to this color, you can turn it back to white if that is what you want. Then again, we have the white, then you have to change the color. To change the color of the text, you have to come here, then under style, change this to any color you want. You can see, change to any color you want. Then if you want to change this one, come here, change it to any color you want. Let's say you want to use black here. So now if I have this, so the next thing I want to do now, normal, proper way, the way I do it, the way I will advise you to do, maybe if you are doing affiliate marketing, then all you have to do is you want to put your form here, get response or Aweber. We're still going to talk about that in future video, okay? But in this case, I want to use button as an example. I'm going to change it. Then I want to click on add new section. Then I want to use this one. I can use this, okay? Let me use this. Then I want to come here to get a section. Then you can see button. Then you can actually search for what you're doing from this search. If I want button, just search for button. You can see this button now. Then I can click on it, then drag it and drop it here. You can see I have the button here. If you want this button to be at the center, you just hit on, put it at the center here. This button is kinda small. If you can see the size from here, then you want to click on this guy, then maybe extra large or something. Okay. Now, this button now, you see this text icon here, this pencil icon is where you change the property of this button. So you can click on this property here, then you can see click here. I can say watch the video. You can see now I have watched the video. Okay, very simple stuff. Then I can change the button to, click on this edit, then you want to come to style. Then I want to change the color of this button. So I'll come to this color. Let me say I want to change it to red. Okay, I think I like this. Okay, you can see. Then I want to change the font of this. When you want to change font, you want to click on what? Typography here. Then you want to adjust it. You can see, I want to adjust it. Simple. Watch the video. Now, the best thing if you are doing affiliate marketing is to use your email list to collect lead of people that will be doing email marketing. Now, if you're not doing that, then this is good. Just maybe where you want to link them to, maybe you're linking them to another page where you have the affiliate stuff and and thereabout. So it's good to collect lead, but in this case, you're just going to make it very simple. Then I'm going to leave it the way it is here, okay? Then I'm going to leave it the way it is. So you can leave it the way it is. Maybe you want this to come to your WhatsApp or you want to direct them to a particular page. So this is how you do it. So once they click on this, so they will be able to have access to whatever you're sending them to. So now, this again, if you want to edit this section, you click on here. Then you can see the content is this content, the style is the style, content is this content, style is the design of it, then advanced, we're going to talk about advanced later. So content You can see link where you want them, when you want link to go to. Maybe you want to redirect them after you are running Facebook or Google Ad. First send them here, then from here you want to redirect them to your affiliate link or where you have your product or services. All you have to do is just put the link here. Okay, it's as simple as that. Then you can, further design this. Look at this icon. Look at this icon. So if I click on any of this icon, you can see icon here. This one is icon library. So you want to click on icon library. So you can just see video. You can type anything you want. So here I just type video. So I type this and I click on this particular one, which is called video. Then I want to click on insert. So you can see the insert now, so they will know that okay, this is the video they want to watch. Okay, then I can come to style again. Before I go to style, now this is the video icon. Now look at icon space here. I can adjust it a little bit if I want space. You can see it's good here, and you can see where icon position. You can put maybe before or after. You can see, but I love it to be before. Okay, you can do a lot. So if you're done with this, just hit on update. Whenever you're working, just hit on update. Now look at this icon here. To hide this, temporarily hide this. Now look at what you have here. Watch the free video how I earn over 1.5 million naira with just 2 simple jobs. See, this is just topic, might talk about copywriting, writing of title. So this is curiosity. Then I want people to click on this to watch, okay? Good. So you can add image, you can add a lot of stuff. Then the next thing I want to do here is I want to use this, not this. Then I want to come here, I want to copy this. This is not this, this is not that, this is not that, okay? I want to copy this. Then again, I want to create another section under here. Then I want to click on this plus icon again. Then I want to add this guy again, this section. Then here, I click here to give me this element. Now, I want to type something called list because I want to list some items. That is why I want to use the list. Then if I come to this list here, then all I have to do is just drag and drop it inside of this page. So I have these three lists. So it depends on the one I want to use. So I want to use this second one. So I close this, then I close this. Then I want to click on this, then paste what I want there. This is not affiliate marketing. Then style is when you style this text. So I want to come to style. Let's the space between icon, let's leave it as 8. Then icon, let's change the color to, let's change the color to red. Okay, then the size icon, the size, let's increase it a little bit. That's icon. Now we've done with the icon. I think I'm okay with this. So let's go to the text now. Let's change the color here. Let's change it to black. Good. Then let's change the typography. You want to increase it a little bit. You can just adjust this to increase. Okay, I think this is good. 21 is good. Then if you're okay with what we have here, then you want to click on update. Do one first, then you duplicate the rest. Now I want to come to this content again here, this particular content now, let's see here. Then look at this icon here, I want to duplicate it. So if I click on hit on this, can you see it duplicated it to 2? Then all I have to do here, I want to come here, copy, this is not Fiverr. You can see I've done the work once. What I'm doing now is to just copy and paste. And I want to come here. then paste. Then again, I want to duplicate this, come, copy, then paste. Then again, I want to duplicate this, copy, then paste. Again, duplicate, 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 duplicate. So then you paste. Now we have this. This is not affiliate marketing. This is not Fiverr. This is not copywriting. This is not Facebook. This is not mini importation. This is not Amazon Kindle. This is not CPA. This is not about selling anything. You can see. Look at our landing page. So when you are a member, to always update. So let's see how this guy looks. Looking good. Okay, looking good, looking good, looking good. So let's click back on it. Then now, I think let's take this back to that fine design. So I want to come here again. Let's come here again. I want to give this background again. So let's come here. Remember, this menu is to edit this section. Then I want to use background color again. Let's use this. Let's check. Does it look good? I'm looking for something nice and cool. I think this look good. Let's come here, edit this section. Then change this to white. Then I want to edit this section. Change it to yellow. I want yellow. I want yellow. Let me see. Okay, I think this looks good. So then I update. So let's see how this look. Wow, this is looking great. This is looking great. I don't want this to be here, and you can see this guy is too close to the top, so I don't want that to happen. Then I want to come here again. I want to change this. For you to change any icon, you have to come here, edit. Then you want to come to the icon. Look at the icon. Click after. Let's click on before to place it here, which is good. You can change the icon color if you want. I think it's okay there. Then watch the video again. Now that you have all this information, we have watched the video here. Then I want to copy this again. Copy. Can you see? I edit and copy. Now I can create new section. Click on new section. Click on this to give you your 3 section. 1, 2, 3. I copy this guy. You can copy anything. Then come here, right click again, then paste. It's going to paste everything for you. You can see I have this guy, then I have this. Then always when you are doing this, it's good to always update it. Okay? So it's good to always update it. Now I have these two guys. You can see, watch the video, then watch the video. Okay? Now I don't like how this guy is too touching this top. So all you have to do is, to edit this section, you have to click at this middle. Just know that. To add section, click on this. To delete section, click on this. Get that in mind. Then I want to come here, edit this section. Then I want to come to this advanced. I told you that we're going to come to advanced. Click on this advanced. Then I want to give you margin top and margin bottom. So let's say margin top of look at this. I'm not going to give you margin top, but let's see something. Margin top of 10. Can you see what happened? It gives 10 space between the. That's what margin does. It gives space between the element, between the section and the top. So we don't want to do this. Let's return it to 0. Then let's add padding. Padding. So first off, if I should type 10 here, you see that everything here we have 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay? But let me get it back to 0. So if you don't want to inherit any number you gave here, all you have to do is to click here to unlink them together. So you want to click here, okay? Then you want to give this one, let's say you want to give it 20. Can you see, give it 20 at the top? Then you want to give at the bottom, let's say 20. Okay, can you see space around this, okay? Then update. Whatever you're doing, always click update. Now, the next thing I want you to do is, let's give it let's give it a little bit size, a little bit style, okay? Remember, this section, we want to edit this section, then come to style again. If you want to style anything, come to style. Then you want to scroll down. You can see this border. Click on this border. Then you can now see this boss shadow. Just hit on boss shadow. Do you notice anything? Do you notice a little bit boss under this? Okay, I don't know if you notice it. Let me come here a little bit. You can see this boss shadow again. Let's see vertical. Okay, I don't need that. You can see that's what I'm talking about. Let's leave it at 8. Then I think 8 is much. You can actually type the number here. Let's leave it at 5. Okay. Then spread. You can see the spread. You can give it any number you want. You can see 100. Let's bring it down a little bit to 0. Okay. Then let's change this vertical from 100 to 0. You can see when you give it -100 to 0, it takes all this space here. So if 0, then this 5, then 10. Now look at what this guy does. Update. Now look. You can see a little bit something under it. I gave it one kind of nice shadow like that. You can see what we've done. Okay, we can apply the same concept with this button. Then I want us to do that quickly. So you want to click on this button. No, this is a section of the button. So you want to click on this button here. Okay, then you want to come to style. Then you want to come to border. Then you want to come to, just click on this boss shadow. Just click on it. You can see what happened. It gives this guy one kind of nice boss shadow like that. But I think this guy does not look great. Does not look great. Can you see? Look at this guy does not look great. So we're gonna remove it. So you can see style this button. All you have to do is click on this edit. Instead of the section that will affect everything, you want to click on this edit here. So you want to go to style. Then you want to go to border. Okay, sorry, you want to go to boss shadow, not border, boss shadow. Then you can see that it also applied to this. Then let me hit on update. You can see the boss shadow, a little bit boss around this. Okay, then let's come to this one at the bottom. Let's do the same thing to this. So you're going to click on this edit. Then you want to come to style. Then you want to come to boss shadow. I've been mentioning border. Sorry, boss shadow. Then you want to hit on it. You can see it here. You want to click on update. Can you see how simple this is? If your product is about what is it called? if your product is anything, just bring it here. If you need picture, bring it in here. Okay, let's assume that this guy is not there. Okay, let's assume this one is not there. We don't need it. We delete it. Okay, click here to delete this section. Let's say we want to add image to this. All you have to do is create a section. Let's create the same section again, this guy. Then I want to come here. Then I want to drop this image. You can see drop image and drop. And for example, maybe you want to use your product picture. You can see when you drop the image, you want to come here, choose image, just click on here. Then you can see a lot of images you can use here. Let me use my image here. Just select the image you want to use, your product image you want to use. Then you hit on insert. You can see how this guy look. Then you want to click it on update. So let's see how our website look. Now look at this guy. Look at how this guy looks. You can see we have watched the free video of how I earned over 1.5 million naira with just 2 simple jobs. Anyone with laptop and internet connection can do it. So then you want to click here to watch this video. Then you can see this is not affiliate marketing, this is not Fiverr, this is not copywriting, this is not Facebook, this is not mini importation. And you have the picture here or picture of the product. Okay, so in case you want to use picture, you can use it here. If you want to do video, you just come here again. Then if I don't want to use this, maybe it's video that I want to use, or maybe your own case, you might just put video. I'm still going to create another landing page which I'm going to be adding video. Okay, then if it is video you want to do, just you can see our section is still there. You can see video here. Just drag and drop. The moment you drop it, and you can see this video will show up. Okay, this video will show up. Then you can come to YouTube. The video I'm going to use, this is the video I want to use. You just copy the URL of the video you want to use. Maybe your product, you have a video description of your product. Then I want to copy the video. This is my video. Then I want to come to my design where I have this video here. Then you want to see at the section here, you can see YouTube. Just remove what you have there, then paste your own. Then you can see the video here. Let me play the video.
What if you learn high-paying skill and no one is talking about this in Nigeria? I have not seen anyone talking about this in Nigeria. And this skill is, if you learn it, you can work in any industry. If it is tech industry or marketing industry, you can work with any company of your choice. If
I can decide that I can put a video here at the top here. You should just watch it directly, which I'm still going to do. I'm still going to create another one, another landing page, okay, which I'm going to have this, and I'm going to have a lot of pictures, okay. I'm going to do that and put pictures, put this video. But in this case, I want to collect lead. I want to collect lead. I'll be running Google advert, Facebook advert on this page. What I just don't want to run into this page directly. I want to collect the lead. Okay. So the last thing you want to do here, let me delete this section. So the last thing you want to do here is for you to put always, when you are designing landing page or squeeze page or anything or sales page, always put disclaimer there. So if you don't want YouTube and Facebook and Google wahala, just make sure you put the disclaimer. Then what you're going to do is, first off, let's create our new section. Create this new section. Then we have this section here. Then either you click here to give you the element box here. Then you want to select test, drag it here for you to have the test here. You can see we have the test here. Then you can go to Google. Then you want to search for disclaimer. You want to search for disclaimer. And I have where I already use disclaimer. Let me go to mnetmedia.com. Aha, this is this disclaimer. I want to copy this disclaimer, copy it. Then I want to come to my design. So I want to paste this disclaimer here. So if I want to paste it, I want to show the come here. I don't want to paste it here directly. I want to come here and paste. So I want to come here, and I want to use the test icon here, test. I just want to paste. I don't want to get any style, anything. I just want to paste it directly here. You can see the disclaimer. And disclaimer read, disclaimer, this site is not a part of the Facebook or Google website or Facebook Inc. or Google Inc. Additionally, this site is not endorsed by Facebook or Google in any way. Facebook is trademark of Facebook. Google is trademark of Google is a trademark of Google Inc. Google Inc. Facebook or Google is not liable for any claim made by this site. It's as simple as that. Then I want to come to style. I want to put it at the center and just click on centralize. Then when you say it's too close to this, so if you want to add space, just come here, new section to add new thing. Then I click blank space like this, blank stuff. Okay, I have this blank stuff. So either you click here or you click here, it still give you the same thing. So I want to click here this time. Then I want to look for space or spacer. You can see spacer. Then drop a spacer here. Okay, drop a spacer here. Then you want to drag this to give you some space. You want that guy to show at the bottom. Then you want to hit on updates. Okay, now we are safe from Facebook and Google Wahala with just this disclaimer we have here. So we can run advert to this page and we can successfully run the advert without issue, without Facebook blocking account or Google blocking account. Because we just say, okay, this is how I earn over this. We did not claim something exorbitant, okay? And this is actually true, okay? Then you want them to watch the video. When they sign up, put their email address, name and email. Then you want them to now see the real video, okay? As I said again, I can as well just put a video here, but I want to create two because I'm doing this right. I mean, this is live thing I'm going to be doing. Then I'm going to be promoting this. Then what I'm going to do is at the end of this maybe video, or if you come to this page, all you'll be seeing here is form. So they're going to put in their name and email. This is the best way if you want to start, because you'll now be doing email marketing over and over again. You have to follow up with them for them to buy this product. So that is that for now. If you have any issue, I'm still going to create part 2 of this, so that I'm going to create the landing page. Immediately after this video, I'm going to create the landing page where we have the video and I have the video pictures, email testimony. In fact, let's do it from scratch together. So I think see you in the part 2 of this. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so and hit on the notification bell. My name again remains Emmanuel Liner. See you in the next video.